was watching someone's knife video the other day and they had a nice Hawkbill folding pocket knife, and I didn't know which one it was, so I trawled the internet and found out it was a Marbles MR409, a Hawkbill folder, and it's stainless steel. That's what caught my eye. It looks kind of old school to me. It's pretty slim, all riveted, all stainless steel. I presume they call it a stainless. I presume it's stainless steel. And on the opening here, clunk, there's clunk. It's very positive. Now this one has a, you can lock it here. Now on other videos I've seen them open up the knife and this thing pings across automatically. Now when I got this one, it didn't do that. It was very stiff, and I've got it just where I want it now. If I open it quick, it will ping across and lock, but I want to do it manually. I prefer that. So this came stiff. I've got some smooth pliers here. All I did is just sat there manipulating it like that until I got it where I wanted it. So that's in the locked position there. I mean, you might, if you want to get one of these, yours might come out the box perfect, but I'm just saying mine didn't. Yeah, it locks there, but I just move that with my thumb, move it across to unlock it. And the other thing I did to it, it seems they sit kind of high, and you can see the S on the marbles there. I don't know if you can see it with the glare, but anyway, mine was sitting like 2 or 3 mil higher than it is right now. So all I did was I filed this down here, which lets it seat a bit deeper. So that just dropped the blade down just a little bit. Before it was something like that, and now it's just dropped down a couple of mil just to keep the point. I was not wanting it to, you know, if it's in and out your pocket all the time, I wasn't wanting it to catch on anything. So just took the point on the inside. You can drop it further if you wanted to, but I kind of like the shape. I know it's wider than it needs to be, but that's what they are. That's the shape of this knife. Now I have seen other videos of people that have filed them down quite a bit and got it to sit more down than this, but I wanted to keep I like the shape of it. That's what drew my eye to this knife, is the shape of it. So I've got it sitting down where I'm happy with it, and the blade is off center. Again, which is part of this knife, because the locking piece of steel there obviously kicks the blade to the right a bit, takes up a bit of room, so it's naturally off center. And I've seen a video of people that bend it so that they get it nice and centered, but I don't like the idea of bending a blade, even though these are really cheap. They go from about $8 to $11. I've seen them. I paid about $10 for this one. You can get them on Amazon, eBay, all over the place. I will put a link in here, but lately YouTube has been deactivating any links that I put in, so you can check the video description. I'll put a link to Marbles, the company, as well. It's kind of interesting to look into the history and see what else they made. They made some guns and axes and gun sights and stuff like that. But anyway, I thought this was a pretty neat little knife. It's 4 inches closed, and the blade is 2.75, 2 3/4 inches. I'm going to measure that because it looks a little bigger than that, but let's get my measuring stick. Alright, so here's my measuring stick. Yeah, I'd say it's 2 3/4 inch blade. You hear that noise outside? That's the ice cream man's turned up. Yeah, 2 3/4 inch blade there, and it's sharp. This blade is really sharp. I'm really impressed with it. For the money, I don't think it can go wrong. You could buy a bunch of them, give them out as gifts. You know, it's pretty good. Made in China, even though the marbles history is not in China, it's in the US. But there you go. Knife made in China, stainless steel. Pretty nice little pocket knife. Good for the gardener, for cuttings and stuff. The Hawkbill shape, but would make quite a tool for if you had to defend yourself with this. I wouldn't want to be slashed by that bill hook there. I keep calling it a bill hook. It's a Hawkbill. I'm thinking of bill hooks in the UK, agricultural chopping tool. Anyway, there you go. Pretty nice little blade, I think. For the money, you can't go wrong. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch you later.